this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. And we have a student, her name is Ruthika. She got placed recently. She will share some experience in PySpiders. Okay.
Hello, I joined this course in the month of July, and I started with the Python course, and the Keshav sir was my trainer. Starting I had no knowledge in coding. I had, but there was no strong knowledge. As the day passed, I got very much good knowledge in Python in basics and advanced concept. After the completion of Python course, I started with Django and SQL. I completed those both, and I used to attend the presentation classes regularly. That helped me boost my confidence and how to explain things. And also, before attending every interview, institution people used to groom us on those companies, and those helped us to revise the topics quickly, and also some new topics we used to get knowledge on those as well. And also
mock interviews helped?
Mock interviews helped me very much. I actually prepared for mock interviews like real interviews, and I attended those as real interviews, and those helped me very much. So focus on mock interviews and presentation. Do not take anything for granted. Any subject you have to prepare very well. Even after you complete with Python and you start attending Django or any other subject, you have to keep revising the before subject. So keep that in mind. Thank you.
How many interviews you attended?
I attended around 7 to 8 interviews, and I cleared this one.
Okay. Congratulations and all the best. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.